Hey guys, it's Cool and welcome back to this video. So now today we will be going into someone's house because wait, what did they say? They said something. I don't know. Hey, look, it's poor. Oh yeah, it said no poor people at my house. So let's just go. And my friend Dem is here, so just drive with her. I think that Zari's the one who told me before. Wait, it said fish all boy. Wait, I can teleport idiots. Fish all boy, and then I'm something. Oh, and then I'm American. So I'm poor. I'm not poor and American, dummies. That's what she just said. Wow. Wait, is Zari right there? No. Mia. This is Zari's house. Not. This is. So this girl must be a gold digger? I don't know. I'm just gonna wait for my friend Demi. Demi! So now we're just gonna go. Is that Zari? No. Oh my goodness, I'm so stinky, but I don't have enough. Oh, there's Zari. So I'm just gonna hack in. Well, not really hack, but like, I'm gonna glitch in. Oh, there she is. There God, there she is. Oh, she doesn't, she's like, stop. So, and then she's like, get your car. Let her get her car. Yeah, what is she saying that for, dude? I'm just. Oh. Okay, she just. Wow, that's rude. I'm just gonna tell her, you monster! You monster gold digger. I'm just gonna say, monster gold digger. Ugh. I don't have enough people. I mean, whatever it's called. But I have a lot of money. Monster gold digger. Wow. Mia 2 3 Mia 3254. How? I'm just gonna say help and see what she does. Dude, this girl. Got Gone, you furry beast. Wait, did it? Wait, me? I'm missing me. These girls keep tricking us. No. I'm gonna say you look like a poor person. So why are you blaming other people? I'm gonna say, so you look like a poor person, so why are you blaming others? Huh? I'm just gonna say, yep, oh god, I did it all caps, but except for the Y, okay. Well, I know the best is. Yep, me too. So what does he, she look like? Brown hair. Wait, isn't it he? I think so. Yeah, Chloe does not know. Well, my sister does not. I remember. I think. Well, Why are you talking about a mysterious woman? This is gold digger round.
I mean, she got 100K from
I always wear my brother's costume. Rainbow Kitty, show me your house. I'm just gonna say, okay. Yeah, let's just forget about this. Like, this girl is going to build mode, so I don't think she wants us. So let's just go to her house, to my house, so I can do something. What? I'm just gonna say, okay, but I don't have any money, really, now. Because my bills cost too much. And I haven't played it in a long time, so that's why my bills cost so much. It costs like $3,000. I'm just gonna say it's on the other side. Mhm. I'm just gonna say okay. Then okay. Uh, I'm gonna look. You look like poor. You. I'm just gonna say you look like poor.
Are you on video or camera?
Yeah. This meal. Okay, I think that's all for today. Bye guys.